Welcome back, and it is time to unbox my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for the month of November. So let's go ahead and dive on in. So on top of the normal stuff, I did get a couple of add-ons because they were the right price and they were pretty cool. And look at this little satchel. I do kind of like the color block, but I don't know if this like coral matches the other two colors. It's kind of throwing me off. I don't hate it. And again, I think I said this last month. We'll compare it. This bag looks bigger, but no, I think it's the same size. Let's see if there's anything else hiding in here. Oh, there is. I think these are my add-ons that are hiding in here. So I guess we can go ahead and cover the add-ons I got for the month of November. One of them was this Tarte shape tape, the bittiest little shape tape sample you've ever seen in your life. I've heard a lot of good things about Tarte shape tape. Full disclosure, I am using a new foundation today that I actually got as an Amazon Prime Day deal. I don't know how I feel about it yet, so if you hate it, please be kind to me in the comments. But anyways, I'm not sure how I feel about it. We'll go ahead and swatch the shape tape concealer, which honestly I think I could have used underneath my eyes today, but I do like that. That's a nice full coverage concealer. This other product, tinted lip cream. I'm actually wondering if this is one of my items from the bag. So we'll just wait on that for a minute because I'm pretty sure I got another add-on. So let's dive on in. Don't remember, honestly. Let's see. I'm just pulling everything out and I'm counting to 5 because if you watched last month's, well, no, my last video with my Stitch Fix, I did not count to 5. And I was very confused. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, maybe I only got one add-on. That might have been right. I think that was a product I was looking at. Here is the card. For once, I'm actually doing this first before we show the rest of the items. It says, be present, #blessed. This month, take a moment to notice the beauty that surrounds you. When you focus on the little things, the first swipe of a new lipstick, a DIY mani, video chatting with an old friend, you'll find you're rich in reasons to be thankful. See what you did there, Ipsy. Otherwise, it is the same nonsense as usual that's on the card. And then save the date for Black Friday, Cyber Monday deals is on here. So if you're interested in that, that'll be November 27th through November 30th. Otherwise, let's look at the products. So the first product I'll go ahead and show you is this Murad Resurgence Retinol Youth Renewal Night Cream. And this is a good size. I mean, I don't know why I'm surprised. The Ipsy Glam Bag Plus does get you full-size products as opposed to the normal Ipsy Glam Bag where you get sample sizes, but that's a lot of cream. Now, the next question is this gonna be like those e.l.f. products? You guys will know what I mean, where if you ever got an e.l.f. product, it looks big, but it turns out it's like literally a fraction of that. I'm actually confused. What's going on? Okay, there's something going on here. Oh, here we go. To use, massage evenly over face, neck, and chest. Okay, that doesn't tell me how I'm supposed to get this out though, but there's a squishy thing, a springy thing. I'm very confused. Okay, so this is what it looks like on the inside. I feel like you're supposed to get it from the centerpiece maybe, and you're supposed to just like pump it out, but I don't know why there's a squishy top. Okay, so I figured it out. So it took a couple pumps, but watch this. Anyways, let's go ahead and smell this. It smells very neutral, like a very neutral light foundation. I'm just gonna use this like hand moisturizer right now since I have makeup on my face. Ooh. It's like a refreshing scent. That feels very moisturizing. I'm digging it. I love it. Okay, I'm impressed by this so far. And this is a good amount of sample, and it does look like this whole thing is full. So this is a very large, full-size product that Ipsy sent us. So let's go ahead and look at our next option. So I think this was something I picked out because if you guys don't know or don't remember what Ipsy is doing right now, at least for the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, I don't think they're doing it for the normal or the ultimate. You get to pick 3 of your options and they pick 2. So the next one I'm pretty sure I picked is the Seraphine Botanicals Fruit Butter Lip Mask. So I don't know if it's an actual like mask or it's just basically a, not a lip gloss, but a chapstick. So the directions here say, before bedtime, apply a generous amount onto lips and leave overnight. Can be also used during the day as a lip salve. Okay, so that answers my question. Let's go ahead and pull this out. This is what the tube looks like. This is the time of year where just my skin in general, my lips don't usually suffer as much in the winter. It's my hands that have like the worst time. I'm having issues getting this open because I just used the retinol face cream as a hand lotion, so un momento. Okay, so while I was fighting with the plastic, I did see this is a cruelty-free and vegan product, so that's pretty cool. Let's go ahead and open this up and at least see what this feels like on my hands. Except now there's another barrier in the way. How are you guys doing? Life treating you okay? Tell me your thoughts. My thoughts are frustrated right now. So let's see. We're gonna swatch this. Oh, that is thick. So it is mildly tinted. I don't know if you guys can really see it. It's just kind of like a blush pink color, but that is thick. I think this will be good for this winter. I'll have to try it and let you guys know in next month's Ipsy video if I like it or not. That's Sophie going off. Anyways, the next product is the Good Vibes Mascara, which I feel like this is a very big box for mascara. So let's see what this is about. So this looks like it might be like a multi-step thing. And this is by Tarte, by the way. So let's see, it's the first mascara to combine a lash curler tool and lash enhancing mascara in one product. Okay, there's the thing, there's the deal. A unique all-in-one mascara that enhances lashes for a curving, lengthening, and volumizing effect. The unique half curler lifts every lash for an all-day lasting curl. The mascara defines and separates lashes, leaving them looking longer, more voluminous, and visibly curled with zero flaking or smudging. Easy to apply, easy to remove. Okay, let's see. I didn't really need another mascara, but I'll take a fancy mascara. So this is what it looks like. And then you just pop this bad boy off. I'm a little confused. Okay, and then there's something over here that says flip down to curl. There are directions here. So flip down to curl. Oh, okay. So there's a little piece here. You flip it down and then use that to curl, which I don't actually have a curling wand for my eyelashes. I don't feel like I need them. I'm #blessed with just naturally big lashes. So there's that. I'm guessing this is separate. I thought for a minute that it would like curl and apply at the same time. So let's figure out where the mascara is. And then let's see. Oh, okay, so twisty, untwisty. There's the mascara, which I do like that wand. That's a nice curvy wand. So I'll have to try this out and get back to you guys on that. I don't know how I feel about the curling wand, but because like I said, I don't usually use one, but I'll let you know if I like it or not, or if the mascara is so awful that I think the curling wand is just there to save the product itself. Hi! You can't see it, but Sophie's pawing on me because she wants attention. Yeah. What are you doing? I'm trying to film video, darling. Back to our regularly scheduled Ipsy video. So the next product I'm going to open is a Complex Culture product, which they actually sent to Complex Culture. I believe they picked this one and I picked this one, which is interesting because Complex Culture is actually an Ipsy brand. So they're kind of stuffing their own boxes with their own product. I'm not necessarily mad about it, but I see you, Ipsy. I see what you're doing. Which, if it means they're saving money so they can provide me better options, like, because this last year I just feel like a lot of the products we've been getting, other than like this last month I was kind of happy, or this month I'm kind of happy about it, but in general I haven't been super thrilled with a lot of this year's products, but I'm very happy about this product so far, and I've been becoming increasingly happy over the past couple of months with the types of products Ipsy's been sending. So if it means that they have to supplement their boxes with some of their own brand, which I don't hate their own brand so far, I'm still forming an opinion on it. Anyways, so this product, like I said, it is a tinted lip cream. And then this was in the shade Espresso. So let's go ahead and open this up. Go ahead and swatch it. Which right now is not the season for a lot of lippy products, just because we're all wearing masks when we're outside most of the time anyway. So like this lip look would have been useless. I reinserted the wand into the product because I couldn't tell if, okay, so this is, what I'm seeing from this is it's a like more of a tinted chapstick maybe, or a tinted just light lip gloss maybe. I don't know what to make of it yet. We will see. But it is like a lip cream, and it's pretty sheer. It's not super sheer like that middle glossy gloss from the lip mask, but it's pretty sheer. And lastly, we will go into the Full-Time Eyeshadow Palette, also by Complex Culture. Let's look at this, which it's been a while, other than last month, it's been a while since I'd gotten a palette, so. Which part of it was because I was purposely not choosing palettes, because I do prefer to get skincare type products from Ipsy, but this is what the palette looks like unopened. It's shiny. And then, let's see. Here are what the colors look like, which that's a good range of colors. I'll go ahead and swatch that. Oh, this is really cool. So they have it organized in 3 different categories. So if you look, it might be hard to see, but these are workwear, and these are, this middle column is brunch, and then this is night out, it says. So I see what they're doing here. I like it. We'll go ahead and start swatching workwear. So this is workwear. So this beige is very sheer. This color is a little sheer, but this one is very pigmented. So that's workwear. These 3 colors are for brunch, which these are a little more pigmented than a lot of the workwear, which I get it, because workwear, maybe you're trying to do a more subtle makeup look. Brunch out, you're, you know, either with family or with your girls, and you can glam it up a little bit. And then these 3 colors are for night out, which I love metallic eyeshadows. Like, they're my favorite go-to shades. Like, I don't do subtle very well with my eye looks. I like bam. I like glitter. I like pretty. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with this palette so far. I'll have to play with it over the next month, and I'll let you guys know in the December unboxing video my final thoughts on it. Speaking of final thoughts, it's time to go over the products I got in my October Ipsy Glam Bag Plus and let you know how I feel about them now that I've had some time to use them. So the first product I got was this Tarte Shape Tape Setting Powder. I love this. This is like my favorite setting powder, my favorite setting item pretty much ever. Again, Sophie, come here. I need to wrap up this video because Sophie wants attention, but love this. It's my favorite. I'm just realizing my foundation, what I was going to say, it's starting to oxidize a little bit. Not sure how I feel about the foundation, but I did use this setting powder with it to make it a little bit more matte. It was pretty shiny. So I'm not sure how I feel about that foundation I got. The next product I got last month was this eyeshadow palette from Lovecraft Beauty. These are the shades. And if you've watched any of my videos from this past month, I have been using them. I haven't really used Waning, this black shade, or Orb, this like dark blue shade, but I've used the other 4 shades. They're very sheer. I actually used it in this makeup look. I used mostly this purple color, which I'm guessing you say it's called Hecate. Hecate? I have no idea how you're supposed to pronounce that. I mostly use that with a touch of Haley in my inner eye and then waxing near the brown bone. And I did just kind of like blend that out a little bit. And then in my October Stitch Fix video, I used mostly just the brown and the gold with a little bit of the waxing or the white in that video look. These aren't super vibrant shades. They're very more on the subtle side, which I don't hate. It's just, I feel like I need to use a lot of product to get the look I want. Don't hate it. I don't think this is gonna be a palette I very easily reach for or am likely to reach for just because it has a very specific type of eye look, but I don't hate it. I do enjoy it. The next product I got last month is this Skin & Lab B Dr. Vita Clinic B Plus Calming. I don't know exactly, like I feel like a lot of this is just repeating itself. It's all the same thing. But either way, it is a night cream that I use on my face. I have been seeing results. My skin is calmer. I haven't had very many breakouts since I've started using this. So, you know, I ain't mad. I enjoy that. The next product I got last month was the Khaleesi Better Bean Clean Face Coffee Cleanser. So this is just a gentle physical exfoliating gel. I like to use it. I exfoliate my face 1 to 2 times a week, just kind of depending on what my face is feeling, whether it's irritated or not, if it's really flaky. I use this a couple times. It's a good exfoliator. Yeah, not mad. And then the last product I got last month was the Perlice Matcha Green Tea Antioxidant Priming Moisturizer. So I've been using this in combination with the little sample I got of the Tarte Maracuja Oil like BB cream. Not both at the same time. Some mornings I use this, some mornings I use that. I like them both. I love Perlice products. So again, maybe my skin's been calmer because of this, or maybe it's because of this, or maybe it's because I'm using both of them because I do have a different morning skincare routine than I do a different evening skincare routine, if that makes sense. I'm tripping over my words. Anyways, if you've made it this far, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed my video, consider helping me out by doing all the things that the YouTube algorithm likes you to do in order to promote my video to other people, such as liking, subscribing, turning on the notification bell, sharing. I think I actually got all the things. Anyways, stay safe out there, and again, thanks so much for watching.